a sore throat and get your chocolate fix all at the same time.
Win-win.
Why not?
Kit Kat just released a cough drop flavored candy bar.
Ugh.
It's the same classic crunchy bar, they say, with white chocolate, but this version is infused with throat lozenge powder. The limited edition Kit Kat was released ahead of the World Cup qualifying matches. It was reportedly created to help soccer fans soothe their throats, made raw by cheering. Unfortunately, or fortunately, the cough drop flavored Kit Kat is only available in Japan.
I would love to know what that guy is saying. You see that? He's like saying something.
He's saying something. He's saying, my throat is sore. I need a Kit Kat.
Yeah, he's saying this thing tastes gross.